So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix SkyQ not recording series link, stacking, record issue and fixes. So fix 1 is clear the scheduled queue. Press home on your SkyQ remote, then navigate to recording and select schedule. Write down or take a photo of your current schedule shows. For each show, click manage and turn off series link. Then select each show again and choose cancel recording until the schedule list is empty. Second fix is clear deleted item. Navigate to the recording menu, then scroll down to the manage section. Select the deleted option, then choose delete all to permanently clear the hard drive cache. Third fix is power cycle the SkyQ box. Press the standby button on your front of the SkyQ box, then unplug the power cable from the back of the box or switch it off at the wall. Wait exactly 60 seconds, then plug the power cable back in. Wait for the on-screen instruction to disappear. Press home on your remote to turn the box back on. Fourth fix is re-add your series link. Press home to open the TV guide, then locate the show you wish to record. Press the record button once to start recording the episode. Press the record R button a second time to activate the series link. Thanks for watching.